Social media has a big impact on young people's lives. This report describes how Warwickshire's young people's health and well-being is affected by social media. Growing up in Warwickshire with social media can be good and bad. Over 2,000 young people told us how social media affects them. 89% of young people said they use social media. The study looked at 5 themes. Here is what some young people said.
I personally think that having social media opens up a whole new amazing world.
It's extremely positive and key to my lifestyle. It allows me to explore things I never thought were possible.
I used to have major issues with severe paranoia, self-hatred and low self-esteem. And thanks to the support from online communities, I'm getting a lot better. I'm so grateful for social media. It has undoubtedly saved my life.
Filters mean you can post the most perfect version of yourself.
How I use social media helps me find people with similar problems and interests as me. Without it, I would feel lonely and depressed.
So many people, including myself, have put unrealistic photos of themselves where they're covered in makeup and filters to make them flawless, when that isn't real life.
It wastes so much time, and I feel it can make me more tired or less active as I fill up spare time with social media.
If it wasn't for social media and technology in general, then my life would be extremely tedious.
Social media actually helps me feel like I'm not alone in the world. I'll see a post on Tumblr about something like insomnia or asexuality, which I can relate to.
It's easier to make friends or get closer to people you may have a crush on.
I get fed up when everybody else uses it, and I can't, so I feel left out and sad.
My friends are always on it, so you do feel a bit left out. But in a good way, because I'm not involved in conflicts.
Here are some of the key points. 69% of young people said they felt included and connected to friends through social media. 55% of young people said they could be themselves on social media. 58% of young people do not think the amount of time spent on social media affects their physical activity. 44% of young people are inspired to be active by what they saw on social media. 68% of young people say they would stick up for a friend if they were being bullied on social media. 31% of young people say social media affects the amount of sleep they get. For more information about this report, visit warwickshire.gov.uk/public health.